Hey guys, I am Melanie, Mel, whatever. You can call me Skittle, that's my favorite name. Love Rays, Rays are awesome. They're pretty cool. Let's see. Yeah, so this is my first YouTube video. I figured I would do something new because I'm bored, I guess. Anyways, so yeah, let's see. I am 16, about to be 17. Let's see. I have a dog. Yeah, he's really huge. He can knock me over. He's a biter. Sadly. It hurts too. Yeah, it hurts. Anyways, so, yeah. My favorite movie is Despicable Me. Especially the part where she's like, it's so fluffy! Let's see. My favorite song, as of right now, is Party Rock Anthem by LMFAO. I am a ballerina and I dance hip hop as well. I am a emo kid. I hate labels, just so you know. So don't go like, hey, that's the emo girl that cuts herself. It annoys me very much. Anyways, so yeah, that's what my video is about. Just me. Just little old me. Yeah, so if you guys want to see anything in particular, just message me. I think you can message people on here. But anyways, message me and I'll think about it. And I will get back to you. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go now because I have nothing else to say. Arf. Oh, sorry, I'm really random too, just so you know. Okay, so I want a cookie. Never mind. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. Peace.